Okay, I'm here in 7.4 day 3 CAMI assignment. Remember the three results when solving an equation we've been discussing? There can be one solution to the equation, like x equals 8, for example, where 8 is the only solution that will satisfy the equation. There could be no solutions, something like a equals b or 0 equals 9, where some number equals some different number. In that case, there is no solution that will satisfy the equation. Or thirdly, there could be an infinite amount of solutions, where you have some number equal to that exact same number or some expression equal to that same exact expression. So here, number one, let's determine how many solutions there are. And if there is one solution, we'll give the value for x. So I'm going to follow my 5 steps to solve equations. Step 1, eliminate parentheses by the distributive property. So let me distribute the 2. 2 times x, 2x. 2 times 12, positive 24. Right, notice how I use the rainbow to show the distributive property. I bring my equal sign down. Everything on the right side stays the same. There are no parentheses over there. All right, that's step 1. Step 2, I'm going to combine my like terms. I look left, 2x and 24 are not like, but on the right side, I do have like terms. 3x and negative x are like terms. They have same variable and same exponent. So my left side will stay the same, 2x plus 24. Bring my equal sign down. On the right side, 3x minus x, that is 2x. Bring the plus 24 down as well. So I did step 1, I eliminated my parentheses. Step 2, I combined my like terms. Step 3, get the variable on the same side or on one side of the equation. So let me move 2x to the left side. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Those 2x's cancel and those 2x's cancel, right? So you're left with 24 on the left side and 24 on the right side as well. And so if you have some number equal to that exact same number, that means there are an infinite amount of solutions, right? So you can write the infinity symbol the sideways 8, or you can use text box and type in infinite solutions. Right? This tells us that no matter what value we put in for x, the left side will always equal the right side. That's why there are an infinite amount of solutions. Number 2, I see a fraction on the left side and a fraction on the right side. So let me eliminate those fractions by multiplying both sides of the equation by some number so that those fractions will be eliminated. So to do that, I want the least common multiple of 4 and 5, which would be 20. Right? So I'm going to multiply the left side by 20, or 20 over 1. I'm putting parentheses to show multiplication. And I'll multiply the right side by that same exact thing, by 20, or 20 over 1. Okay, now I'm going to look and see, can I cross simplify? I can on both sides. On the left side, 20 over 4, that's 5, right? 20 divided by 4 is 5, or 5 over 1. And on the right side, 20 over 5, or 20 divided by 5 is 4. So this is going to be 4 over 1. I cross simplified. Now, as you can see, I have 5 times m minus 3. So let me write that down. I have 5 times m minus 3. m minus 3. That's my numerator. In the denominator, as you can see, I have 1 times 1, which is simply 1, and so I don't need to write it if the denominator is 1. Bring my equal sign down. On this side, I have 4 times m minus 3. So I have 4 times m minus 3. That's in my numerator. In the denominator, I have 1 times 1, which is 1. So again, I don't need to write it. So now I'm going to go through and distribute the 5 on the left side and distribute the 4 on the right side. So 5 times m is 5m. 5 times negative 3, negative 15. Bring my equal sign down. On the right side, 4 times m is 4m. And 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. Okay, so I distributed, and now I've eliminated my parentheses. So step 2, combine like terms. I have no like terms on the left or on the right. So now I'm going to get my m term on the left side by subtracting 4m from both sides so that those 4m's cancel. 5m minus 4m is 1m, or just m. I'll bring my minus 15 down. Bring my equal sign down. On the right side, I have this term, which is not 12, but negative 12. So because my variable m is on the left, I need my numbers, negative 15, on the right side. So I undo the subtraction by addition. So I'm going to add 15 to both sides so that those 15s cancel. And so m is equal to negative 12 plus 15, which is 3. So because I have m equals 3, this tells me that the only solution for this equation is 3. So I'm going to write one solution.